Hello all, myself Srimati and I'm from first year EC department and I'm here to tell about the Climate Tech Company. So, the problem statement of the Climate Tech Company is reducing cycle carbon emission and these startups offer commercial solution to decarbonize society or to remove carbon from the atmosphere. And coming to the purpose and reasons for the opening of Climatic Company is Climatic Company's aim is to address and mitigate the impacts of climate change and solutions. Their purpose and reasons typically include reducing greenhouse gas emissions, developing technologies that lower carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions from various sectors including energy transportation, agriculture and manufacturing. Then promoting renewable energy, innovating in solar, wind, hydro and other renewable energy sources to replace with the fossil fuels and reduce reliance to non-renewable resources, and enhancing the fuel efficiency, creating a solution that improve the efficiency of energy use in homes, businesses and industries, thereby reducing the overall energy consumption and emission. Supporting climatic adaptation, providing technologies and strategies to help communities and ecosystem to adapt to the changes and challenges posed by changing climate such as rising sea levels and increased weather extremes. And sustainable practices, encouraging sustainable practices in industries like agriculture, forestry and waste management to minimize the environmental impacts and promote conservation of natural resources, and raising the awareness and advocacy, that is educating the public and policymakers about the climatic change and the importance of sustainable practices, driving more robust climatic policies and social shifts towards sustainability. Coming to the functioning of the Climate Tech Company, research and development. First of all, innovation, developing new technologies and improving existing ones to address climate related issues. Then, prototype and testing, creating prototypes and conducting tests to ensure the viability and effectiveness of new technologies. Collaborations, partnering with the universities, research institutions and other companies for joint R&D efforts. Now, product development, designing, creating a practical scalable designs for climate tech solutions. And engineering, apply engineering principles to build a refined products. Pilot projects, implementing small scale projects to test products in the real world scenarios before full scale development. Manufacturing and production, supplying the chain management, sourcing sustainable materials and managing the supply chain to ensure environmental compliance. Then production, manufacturing products at scale with while minimizing environmental impact. And some of the key resources and activities for a climatic company is they encompass a range of physical, intellectual, and human assets crucial for developing and deploying innovation solution to address the climatic changes. Value propositions and customer relationship about this climatic company is Climatech has funded 100 over startups and together they are worth over 10 billion. They financing as a service for building electrifications. They improve the quote life cycle to reduce time spent, automate system design and improve the installed system. And next is about the revenue streams. The Climatech company can generate revenue through various streams such as they sell their products, service contracts, subscription models, and they publish more articles and they subscribe more subscription models, and licensing and intellectual properties, and they provide campaigns and meetings and seminars throughout all the universities and schools to increase their product sales. And the key partners for the climatic companies, they are key partners are essential for enhancing capabilities, expand market reach, and accelerating innovations. Some of the key partners of the climatic company are academic and research universities, universities research labs, and government regulatory bodies, corporate partners, schools, colleges, etc. And coming to the conclusion of the climatic company, ultimately the success of climatic companies will be measured by the ability to deliver scalable, effective solutions that mitigate climate change and foster a healthier planet. And they continue to be an advanced technology, influence policy, and engage communities. Climatic companies will play a vital role in the shaping and sustainable, resilient future for generations to come. And thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment to our YouTube channel. Thank you.